also joined by JPMorgan as an institution failed and failed miserably. In part because of that failure, for decades, Bernie Madoff was able to launder billions of dollars in Ponzi proceeds, essentially through a single set of accounts at JPMorgan. And as far back as 1998, a bank fund manager concluded that Madoff's returns were quote, possibly too good to be true, close quote, and that there were too many red flags. In 2007, there were continuing concerns that Madoff was a wholesale and systemic fraud and had a well-known cloud over his head, and that his returns were, open quote, speculated to be a Ponzi scheme, close quote. The concerns heightened in 2008, and JPMorgan decided to dramatically reduce the exposure of its own London trading desk to Madoff's funds. And so all of this is why today we are filing criminal BSA charges against JPMorgan, and it is why the bank is admitting responsibility for its conduct and agreeing to forfeit $1.7 billion to help make Bernie Madoff's victims closer to whole.